Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? Let's dive deep into Meta and provide you with a more detailed analysis. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, January 9, 2024. Now, we're here to give you all the information you need. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Access the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, with a score of 2.48. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over this time, the stock has gained an impressive 9.44%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.43% since being identified as a buy candidate. Currently, the stock is in the upper part of a wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks the top trend line at $364.24, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.27% change in the next 3 months. This translates to a possible return between 3.92% and 16.45%. On the 12-month trend, there is a projected 116.49% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between 99.06% and 126.83%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $711.50 to $810.76 after 12 months. Our latest update on Meta brings you the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Meta stock after a decrease of 0.343%. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, the Meta stock price fell by 0.343%, dropping from $358.66 to $357.43. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.49%, starting at a low of $355.36 and reaching a high of $360.64. In the past 10 days, the stock price has risen in 6 instances, resulting in a 1.14% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is typically considered a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 211,000 shares on the last day, with a total of 13 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $4.77 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the Meta stock was $361.90, while the lowest price was $127.15. At present, the stock price is 1.24% or $4.47 lower than the 52-week high and 7% or $26.90 lower than the all-time high on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Today, let's discuss some recent analyst ratings for Meta. On Monday, January 8, 2024, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Raymond James rated Meta as a strong buy with a hold action. Moving back to Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. Also on that day, Wells Fargo rated Meta as equal weight with a hold action. And once again on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush gave Meta an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Meta stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals that have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock is showing positive signs, with buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. This indicates a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals is also positive, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections downward, there is support from the lines at $351.41 and $340.27. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. On the other hand, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that there have also been some negative signals, which could potentially impact the stock's near short-term development. A sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 8, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.343% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the volume of trading decreased along with the price during the last trading day. This indicates that the overall risk is reduced, as volume typically follows price movements. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that can guide your investment decisions. First, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, recently signaled a buy. Another indicator is pivots, which gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average suggested a buy 23 days ago. Looking at the relation between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 44 days ago. Now, let's take a closer look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicated a buy 22 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also signaled a buy 50 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 244 days ago. If you'd like to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. When analyzing the downside, it's important to note that the stock finds support just below today's level. Specifically, there is accumulated volume support at $334.92 and $299.53. However, it's crucial to recognize that testing a support level carries a natural risk. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. For Meta, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $334.92 and $299.53. Moving on to the risk assessment, it's worth mentioning that this stock exhibits average movements during the day and has good trading volume. As a result, the risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the stock moved $5.28 between its high and low, representing a 1.49% change. On a weekly basis, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.66%. Let's start by discussing some essential fundamental data before we explore the potential good trading levels for Meta. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Meta's P/E ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 07, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings stand at $4.75. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $357.83. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a good level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, as there's a potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Meta is buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades involve Zuckerberg Mark, who bought and sold a total of 19,681 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -37.516. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 160,073 shares and sold 354,375 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $343.67, which represents a 3.85% decrease. This stock has moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several short-term signals and a positive overall trend that indicate a potential buying opportunity for Meta stock. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. In terms of trading on Wednesday, January 10th, we expect Meta stock to open up $0.380 and commence trading at $357.81. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always wise to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please refrain from solely relying on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your investment actions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock with you. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What do you think the target for this stock should be? Let us know. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a successful day, from all of us here at Stock Invest.